This is the rough grouse. Today we're going to hunt them. Again. Yeah, I know, I have a lot. Alright, got the 2 articles of orange. A lot of people like to use 7.5 shot when they bird hunt, but I use 8 or 9. I use skeet loads. It's just cheap, easy to find. I can get like 100 rounds of it, which will last me like forever for only like 40 bucks. Loaded up the Pew Pew. It's a pump action 12. Now let's go spend some time on the road. I can get it. It ain't a spruce, it's a real one. I don't even know what to think right now. Oh my god. Oh my.
You were so upset like 1 minute ago.
Out of my chest. I can't believe I made that shot. Thank you, Jesus. I'll get my picture with it real quick. 15-20 yards with skeet load from Walmart. I've been hunting since September 27th to November 13th. Once I got out of the car, I was like, I'm not taking a step. I got Walmart skeet loads. Is what I hunt with. I guarantee it would have flew away if I would have wasted another second taking a step. I was like, I'm taking the shot. 15-20 yard shot. Smoked it. Right here. Quick story. The road went this way at wide. We were gonna go straight, but we stopped, backed up, took a right. Because I thought I saw a bird in the middle of the road. I did. It flew off. So we took this road anyway. I saw a bird up in the tree. I had to show Dad. Backed up. Got the gun out. Pew. It dropped. I walked in. I got it. Yeah, that was awesome.